there is a good news, because you can now promote your videos for free in 3 different places. Big creators are using these places to promote their video, even though they have many subscribers. To promote your video, all you have to do is to come to your YouTube app, and then you go to your profile. You click on your profile like this, and it will load. It will take you to a profile. You click on view profile. And then you come to your videos, your long form videos. Follow me keenly. You will get what I'm doing here. Just follow me keenly. So you come to your long form video, and you will look for a video that you want to promote. Any video that you want to promote. Then you click on that video. You click on that video like this, and you click on this share button. Follow me keenly, or we are heading somewhere. You click on this share button, and you see this. You see these options. You now click on create posts. Yes, you click on create posts, and it will take you to this interface, and you can write anything catchy for people to make people to like click on this video. You can write something like, you can write anything about this video. Sure you understand? Okay, let me just write something. Let me just write something there. So this is the text I wrote. If you are wondering why your channel is stuck at low views, even when you are trying everything possible, blah blah blah, so you just try to like give them the hints of what the video is all about. Don't tell them everything. Then you can now post. You can see posts. You can now post, but I'm not going to post. When you post this kind of thing, your subscriber will now see it. Your subscriber might not turn on the notification, and they might not know that you have uploaded a new video, but when they see this community post, they will definitely come and watch your video, and it will increase your views. Now, still on your channel again, another thing you can do is to come to your channel. The next place is to come to your channel again, and you click on another video. So let me just click on this video right here. You click on another video that you want to promote. So this is the video I want to promote, and you click on this share button again, and this time you click on remix. You can see remix here. You click on remix, and you see edit into shorts, sound, collab. So you click on edit into shorts. This will allow you to remove some parts that is very captivating, to use shorts to get some parts that is so catchy for you to make short video with it. So you can just cut out some parts that you know that is very catchy and is very attention grabbing. So let me just choose this part. So once you choose this part, then you click on done. You click on done. So can you see the text I write on it? One viral shot can change your life. You can see that this text is very captivating, and people will want to click and know what is in this video. So then you come to this side to put your thumbnail. Okay, I think I love now, and if you stop, I think I like this one. This thumbnail is okay. Then you click on next. So this is where you can add thumbnail, but I think I like. So just look for a part that is very catchy. So I use this part, and then you optimize your short. You write the description. So this is the title: how to use short to get 4,000 watch hour. Then I use hashtag short, hashtag short feed, hashtag 4,000 watch hour. Then you click on this show more. So you can just copy this and put it in the description as well. Just copy it and add it to the description. And then you click on related video. and then you link the video that you extract the short from. You link that video to it. You can also link this video to your playlist. You can as well link it to your playlist. So this will keep people to keep watching your videos after videos. So you click on this AI use. You select no is not AI. If your own is AI, you click on yes. Then this hashtag, you put hashtag that is related to the topic of the video, to the title of the video. So this is about watch time. This is about 4,000 watch. I think one is okay. So let me use 2. How to get 4,000 watch hours. So I use 2, and you click on visibility. You set it to public, and everything is done like this, and you upload your shorts. So from your shorts, people can watch your long form video from your shorts. You know that shorts used to go viral more than long form video. To promote your video in the next place, you just have to come to your main video and you change the aspect ratio. You change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then you use your hand to resize it. Just use your hand to resize it like this. Use your hand to resize it like this. And then what you are going to do is that you are going to share it, you download it, you export it, and you are going to share it to your social media, like your WhatsApp, like your Facebook, like your TikTok, because you don't want to share your link directly to those places. Because if you share your link directly immediately after you upload to YouTube will not promote that video again, because it will feel like, okay, you can promote your video by yourself, so it will not promote it again. So this is the trick that you need to use for you to drive traffic from other social media to your video. Are you getting it? Once people see this will make them to come and watch the video, the main video, the full video on YouTube. All you have to do is to add a caption that you can watch the main video, the full video on YouTube. Just add that caption. You can add it on the video, you can add it as a normal caption like a text, and they will definitely come and watch it. If it is something that I'm very, very interested in, they will definitely come and watch. And this trick really works well. If you have the audience in other social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, if you already have audience there and you do something like this, they will come and watch that video on YouTube, and they will even subscribe if it is something that are very, very interested in. So from your shorts, people can watch your long form video from your shorts. You know that shorts used to go viral more than long form video. So this is how to promote your video in 3 different places for free, and you get more views, you get a lot of views. So if this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and watch the video on your next screen.